So in today's episode of Dive on Tech, I'm going to teach you step by steps on how you can create a WhatsApp channel on your iPhone if you are using WhatsApp Business. I'm sure you want to do something like this. My name is Desmond Dyke. I'm a blogger, a content creator, and a YouTuber. So if you're ready, let's head right into the video. So when you open up your WhatsApp Business, click on Updates. The three horizontal dots at the top, just tap on it, and then tap on Create Channel. So put in the name of the channel you want it to be. Test channel, test, and then you say test channel. You can feel free and then add a photo. Click on Create Channel, and then voila, you have successfully created a WhatsApp channel. Feel free and share the link to anybody you like them to join the channel. So you can as well check out my next video about how to create a WhatsApp community on your WhatsApp Business if you are using an iPhone. If this video was helpful, kindly leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, I'll see you in another one.